Yeah, so making effective presentations. So this is meant this is for business setup actually. Yeah, so we need some kind of planning and topic research before we make the presentation. So what is my audience? Then what kind of event we have? Then what is the venue? And other constraints if we have. Then what is the presentation topic? Then research mind. I mean, it should be audience centric. I mean, you might be competent in something, but that is not important for the audience. So it should be audience centric. Then be self aware. So I would like to just explain this part. Now, sometimes what happens actually, we are not expert in everything. So we might be knowing something, but if we do not know everything about that, so for example, if you are going to make a presentation on artificial intelligence, so you might be knowing some part of artificial intelligence. So in order to explore that topic, so you need to go through a lot of literature. So be self-aware is nothing but we need to understand our knowledge level. So how much do I know about that topic? And accordingly, we can prepare or we can explore the topic. Then thorough research is a speaking fear. So if you are well versed with the topic, then you can overcome that stage fright. Then after preparation, then we have got content and plagiarism. Now again, I mean, I always emphasize on plagiarism. So whenever you refer to anything, it could be article, it could be newspaper, it could be book, it could be any website. So we need to give that citation. So plagiarism is again, it is a legal offense actually. So clip art gallery, except clip art gallery. So we need to give citation for each and everything. Then these are some of the important sources which we can refer to, like peer-reviewed academic journals, Google Scholar, Google Patent Search, newspapers, magazines, industry literature like annual reports, weekly reports. Let me just okay. So my cursor is not working. I don't know why. Okay, fine. Then people, Wikipedia, and all other online resources. Then design, then we have got Guy Kawasaki's very popular rule, 10, 20, 30 rule. We need to make only 10 slides of the presentation. Then we can speak for maximum 20 minutes in case of corporate presentation. And the last 30 is your font point should not be less than 30 so that your bullet points would be visible to everyone. Then we have got one more popular rule, that is 666 rule. So first six is we need to limit to 6 bullet points in each slide. Second six is we need to limit to 6 words in each bullet point. And last six is for every 6 slide, we need to keep or we need to add minimum 1 or 2 slides of visuals. Now those visuals could be a graph, chart, table, diagram, it could be anything. So for every 6 slides, so we need to add 1 or 2 slides of visuals. Then be consistent throughout your slide deck. For example, if you are using particular font or font type, then we need to be consistent throughout slide deck. Then choose 3 sizes at the most. For example, we have got title, we have got bullet points, and we have got annotation. So maybe you can use maximum 3 bullet points. I mean, 3 font sizes. Maybe for title, you can go for say 44. For bullet points, you can go for say 30 to 35. And for annotation, you can go for 30. So this is how you can choose 3 sizes at the most. Then we have got that Duarte's space principles. So simplify, then plan before you make the presentation, arrange your presentation properly, maintain consistency, and emphasize on important concepts. Then here is some examples, the examples which I discussed about. So use large font sizes, size elements and their sizes. And when it comes to using fonts, so we have two variety of fonts in formal context. So whenever you are going to make presentation, then you can use sans serif. So examples are Tahoma, Arial, Vardhana, Gil Sans. And whenever you document something, so we can go for serif font. Serif font like Times, Georgia, Century, Caramount, Book Antica, or similar to that. So these kind of fonts we can use. So let me just